Do you know that many first-time homebuyers end up missing some of the best properties on the market? Many first-time buyers spend the first few weeks and months of their home search visiting open houses to become familiar with the homes and prices in the area. That is not a bad strategy in itself. But once they start getting a little more serious, that strategy can start to work against them rather than for them. Why? Continue to watch to find out. This video is a part of Buying Your First Home, the No BS step-by-step guide with Elena Garrett miniseries. The videos in this miniseries break down the confusing language, requirements, and paperwork with easy-to-understand, short, plain English explanations. We will be using Dallas-Fort Worth real market data and real examples of other home buyers struggling with the same issues that you might be struggling with right now. The videos in this series will help you save money, reduce stress, and avoid some expensive mistakes as you start to untangle the process of buying your first home. Stay tuned and find additional videos from this mini-series on our channel. And now, let's go back to our original question. As we said before, if you only rely on open houses to view homes posted for sale, you can easily miss some of the best opportunities out there. There are 3 reasons for that. Reason number 1. The pace of open houses is simply too slow. On any given weekend, only about 5% of all homes for sale in a given area will actually hold an open house. That means if you rely only on open houses, it could take weeks, or even longer, to see all available homes. Reason number 2. Some of the most affordable and well-updated homes never hold open houses to start with. They get so many offers in the first week or so, that they simply do not need an open house to attract attention. And that could mean that often you end up seeing homes that are failing to sell. Reason number 3. With so many open houses happening at the same time, you have to choose which ones to attend based on your own availability. And that means you may miss some of the best homes simply because they don't fit into your schedule that weekend. And there's no guarantee they'll have another open house later. If you're not fully ready to buy yet, but would still like to see homes that don't have open houses, there is a simple, low-commitment option. You can send the address and your preferred viewing time to Elena Garrett with 7X Group in Dallas, Texas. You can find her contact information in the description below. Beyond just opening the door, Elena can help you evaluate the property, from potential repairs, to approximate monthly payments, to whether the home truly fits your lifestyle and long-term plans. Even a single walkthrough with an experienced agent can help uncover hidden issues, missed opportunities, or unexpected value. So next time you're interested in a home, don't wait for the open house. Because platforms like Zillow can show you what's available. But understanding what's actually right for you, and getting access to it at the right time, often requires a more experienced perspective. As you can see, real estate is one of those businesses where details matter, sometimes a lot. That kind of strategic thinking is exactly what we focus on at 7X Group with Elena Garrett. Every client, every property, every detail, carefully analyzed so you can make the smartest move possible. And if we could ask for just a moment of your attention for something personal. In addition to her real estate work, Elena Garrett is also an animal foster care provider with the Dallas Animal Shelter, which means she takes in animals that are at immediate risk of euthanasia. Many of them come from very difficult situations and simply need time, care, and a chance to recover. Your real estate decisions are about your future, your finances, your family, and the life you're building. You deserve strategy, careful analysis, and someone who is fully invested in helping you make the smartest move possible. And, if you choose to work with 7X Group, every successful home purchase and home sale also helps support the rescue work for Dallas area dogs that need a safe new start and a second chance. Call the number in the description below or visit elenagarrett.com. Thank you for viewing and we will see you at the next video.